Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is the honest boy. Gopal lived with his father and mother in a small village. He also had a brother named Govind. Gopal liked to study. He went to school every day. After school, he completed his homework and then played with his friend. Students, this is the story of one boy whose name was Gopal. Gopal was very honest boy. Can you tell me the meaning of honest? Honest means truthful, imandar. So Gopal lived with his father and mother in a small village. Gopal's brother name was Govind. Gopal liked to study. He went to school every day. After school, first he completed his homework and then played with his friends. Now what happened? One day Gopal was sitting in the classroom near the window. He watched two little birds playing in the garden outside. As you can see the picture of Gopal. Gopal was sitting in the classroom near the window. And Gopal watched two little birds playing in the garden outside. The teacher was teaching them a new lesson in mathematics. But Gopal was not attentive in the class. Attentive means to listen and understand something very carefully. The teacher also gave a few sums to solve as homework. He said, I will give a prize to the student who gets all the sums right. When the school was over, Gopal came back home. He finished doing the homework of all the subjects, but he could not do the mathematics homework. Can you tell me why? Yes, because when his teacher was teaching him the mathematics subjects and the teacher was telling him sums about the sums, he was not attentive in the classroom. The next day he went to school. He was sad. His friend asked him, What happened, Gopal? Why are you sad? Gopal replied, I could not do the mathematics homework. I do not know how to solve the sums. His friend was a nice boy. He said, Do not worry. I know how to solve the sums. I will help you finish the homework. So Gopal was not attentive that time. So he was facing problem in solving mathematics sums. Now he was thinking how to solve these sums. So Gopal's friend was a nice boy. The friend of Gopal was very nice boy. He said, Do not worry. I know how to solve the sums and I will help you finish the homework. During recess, Gopal's friend taught him how to solve the sums. Gopal was an intelligent boy. He understood how to do the sums. He quickly finished his homework. So students, do you know the meaning of recess? Recess means lunch break time. A short break or lunch break in schools. So during recess time, Gopal's friend taught him how to solve the sums. And Gopal was an intelligent boy. So he understood how to solve the sums and he quickly finished his homework. After recess, it was the mathematics class. Then what happened? The teacher said, all of you submit your homework. The students gave their homework one by one. The teacher gave them a few more sums as a classwork. While the students did their classwork, the teacher corrected their homework. When the teacher was checking the homework, he was surprised to see that Gopal was the only student who got all the sums right. So now the teacher gave them a few more sums as a classwork, and then he started checking the homework. When the teacher was checking the homework, he was very surprised to see that Gopal was the only boy who got all the sums right. He was very pleased with the boy. He was very happy with the boy, and he said to the class, "Children, I am very happy to see that all of you have done your homework. But as I said, I will give a prize to the student who got all the sums right." The students were curious to know. So all the students become very excited. They asked, "Who is it, sir?" The teacher said that it was Gopal, who got all the sums right. He called Gopal near his table to give the prize. Gopal accepted the prize, but then he started crying. Why Gopal was crying? As you know, he was not attentive in the class at that time, and his friend helped him. So Gopal told to sir, "I have not done the homework on my own. My friend helped me complete it. I do not deserve this prize." So after listening, the teacher gave him prize. Do you know why? Because he was very happy. Because Gopal told all the truth to the teacher. The teacher was even more pleased now. He said, "Gopal, you may keep the prize. This is not for your homework, but for your honesty." Years later, this honest boy grew up to be a great freedom fighter of India. His name was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Students, can you tell me what is the moral of this story? The moral of the story is honesty is the best policy.